Hello, so I am back on my channel finally. I hope you guys didn't wait too long. I'm just kidding, I know no one was waiting for me. So, I'm here to tell you about another thing that you should definitely apply for if you're between the ages of 10 to 17, which most of you must be. You should definitely apply to the National Children Science Congress. I applied for this program back when I was in the 7th grade. It was my first ever actual competition that I took part in. That was So it was the first ever competition that I ever took part in that is actually held on a big like national and international levels. And I'm so glad that I did, as it led to a journey of mine that I'm still super proud to be in. Like, I'm still in that journey, I'm still learning, growing, and upgrading myself every single day. And it all started from there. So I want to share this with you because I want more and more of you to learn what I've learned, to live better than what I have lived in places like those. Like, you get to learn a lot, okay? You get to grow a lot. You get to see the world is you get to see that the world is not just a very little place, and there's a lot going on that you have no idea about. Okay, so now let me tell you a little about NCSC, that is the National Children Science Congress. I participated in it and I went to the nationals, but I didn't make it to the even next level, that is the international. Like, it takes place at the international level, okay? Actually, I don't blame myself. Actually, I do blame myself a little because I kind of screwed up in my presentation at the nationals. I could have got it selected, but it's okay. I was in 7th grade, okay? I was a mere child. I was a child. Okay, now let me tell you about it. So, this is like a mini research kind of a program. So, you get a main theme and then you get sub themes, like 5 to 6 sub themes, and you can choose any of them and you can research on any one of those topics. Like, it's not topics, it's just एक थीम दिया जाता है एंड उस थीम के अंदर आने वाले किसी भी टॉपिक पर आप अपना रिसर्च कर सकते हो. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल देयर इज़ अ थीम of applied Indian knowledge for sustainability or something. So in that you can research on a custom or a tradition of India that is very, there is a deep meaning behind it. Like, something that is very obvious is using copper utensils. जो बर्तन यूज़ करते हैं कॉपर के, they are very good for like health, and we should store water in them overnight and we should drink it in the morning, and it's very useful for the body. You need to say that it has been mentioned in the Indian scriptures, and now it has been proven this way, that way, this by you doing this experiment, that it is actually very useful. So this is just an example, like what you could do. You can do something very complex also. This is very simple. It's very important कि आपका जो भी टॉपिक हो वो बहुत ही अच्छा टॉपिक हो, जिस पे आप रिसर्च कर रहे हो, लिख रहे हो. उसका फॉर्मेट भी मैं आप सभी से शेयर कर सकती हूँ. आई कैन शेयर माई ओन फाइल्स दैट आई विल डू in this video only. Just wait till the very end. Now, since you know that what it is, I'll tell you how to participate exactly. So back in my days we only can register through our schools. Like, our schools were the one registering us. So like, our school registered like 13 no, not 13, like 8-9 students, and 2 of us made it to nationals, and that was crazy. Okay, I know
The next day.
Our school registered us, but this year you can register individually. Yes, that is crazy again, but that is very amazing because many a times school don't cooperate with students, schools don't share this information with students, and if you are someone who would really want to participate, if you are like me, you don't want to miss out on opportunities, you want to do everything that is out there, then please participate to the individual registration. Just search up for NCSC registration. I'll share the last dates on the screen over here. Now let me tell you about the age criteria, and like it's just an eligibility thing. So if you're between the ages of 10 to 14, you'll fall into the junior group, and if you're between the ages of 14 to 17, you'll fall in the senior group. So yes, the same focal sub themes are like divided for junior and senior, and separately they take place. The age criteria, like it's not, it's like up 31st of December 2026 में आप like which age you will be hitting, like it's not कि आप registration के time पे कितने age के हो, it's that by the date of 31st December 2026 आप किस date के होगे. Okay, so there's one more information. Okay, so there is one more information that I would like to share. So if any of you like me is from the Kendriya Vidyalay, then please I would like to tell you that अगर आप young हो, आप पहले कभी nationals पे गए नहीं and you don't know a lot about it, then I would really like to tell you that अगर आप KV से हो, then it's like कि पहले आपके स्कूल पे होगा, then cluster पे होगा, then regionals होगा like state, and then you'll go to nationals. Okay, completely okay, but that will be a nationals by Kendriya Vidyalay, like it will be an inter-school national. It will not be the open nationals. Open nationals होते हैं जिसमें कि सारे प्राइवेट स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के स्टूडेंट, मतलब सभी आते हैं. बट इन द नेशनल्स जो केवी में होता है उसमें पूरे ऑल अराउंड लाइक पूरे इंडिया के सारे केवीज से जो स्टूडेंट सिलेक्ट हुए होते हैं वो आते हैं. उसके बाद जो केवी के इंटरनेशनल्स में फर्स्ट आते हैं उनको भेजा जाता है ओपन नेशनल्स के लिए. ओके, and yes, if you're a student who's from a private or government or school, anything other than KV, then the process would go like you will get selected from your school, then there will be a like regional kind of, and then state for all the schools in the state. It will not be just your school and it's like जो भी branches होंगी, it will not be like that. It will be and when you'll go to nationals, it will be directly open nationals. So I think that you guys have an advantage. And if you guys are thinking of participating, you have registered, you have done all the necessary things, you have chosen your sub theme and you have chosen the topic, then now I would like to share my own files. But before that, I would like to talk about the sub themes of this year. So if any of you would like to do an individual registration, this is the website you will have to look for basically. Now the theme of this year is Science and Innovation for Sustainability. It is amazing, like a very something that we all know about, something very basic, something everyone talks about. You guys must have a lot of ideas even from your inter-school stuff that takes place. If you guys have ever made a project or thought of some idea that we can do this, please don't take a rainwater harvesting project. प्लीज़ आई बेग यू, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग जैसे प्रोजेक्ट्स और उस पर इतनी बड़ी बड़ी फाइल्स लिख के मत लेके जाना प्लीज़, नहीं होगा सिलेक्शन. Guys, I was looking for my files and I'm not able to find them and I didn't know what to do. और फिर मुझे याद आया कि आई हैव PDFs उन फाइल्स की. सो मैंने 3 फाइल्स बनाई थी बेसिकली. The main file, the logbook and the survey file. Okay, now see, I was in the 7th grade and in the junior category में not gonna lie, the competition is little. like competition कम नहीं होता but क्योंकि सभी बच्चे होते हैं तो not everyone has an idea कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. so मेरी फाइल भी उसी like kind of like that और बहुत ही ज़्यादा it wasn't very well prepared. and I have also lost a few pages. The main file ke jisme I had a lot of data in it. So I was in the junior section, okay. You cannot copy my file. The rules are very different. The sub theme is very different. So I'll share, but I'll still share the link ताकि आपको एक फॉर्मेट पता चल जाए एटलीस्ट. सो लव यू.
Everything that I've had, praise the Lord.
And yes, also say bye to this. I love this. I recently got this and I'm so obsessed. Bye.